Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Adobe account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in adobe.com. Press enter. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Adobe. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. But if you want to create the account for yourself, click on this option, create an account. After that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You'll be able to find various options for creating the account. You can either create the account with Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, etc. Or you can also continue with email address. So if you want to create the account with email address, what you have to do is click on the field of email address. Now provide your email address over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter a very strong password for yourself. Your password must contain at least 8 characters. It must contain both lower and uppercase letter. Also, it must contain at least one number or a symbol. It must not contain your email address and it must not be commonly used. After you create the password, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to provide some information over here. So first of all, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Once you do that, what you have to do is enter your date of birth. First of all, select the month. Now what you have to do is enter the year over here. Now once you do that, also select the country or region. Click on the country or region that is selected right now. Now what you have to do is select the country or region of your choice. Now after you select the country or region, click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has been easily created. So that is how you create Adobe account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.